This video is going to show you how to do a palm raise. So the purpose of a palm raise is to learn how to push through this part of your hand instead of the heel of your palm. The more you can push through this part of your hand, the easier inversions will be. But also we need digital extension. We need digital flexion and digital extension to have a healthy hand and wrist and shoulder. So this will also help with hand, wrist, and shoulder issues. So what you want to do is, if you're not sure how much range you have, you want to start your hands very close to your knees. That takes pressure off. And I'm going to push through the underside of my knuckles, so all the way from the pinky to the index finger. And I'm going to push through as high as I can, bring that wrist forward, and then come down slowly. So we're going to go for 5 reps. And you'll notice my pinky came off there. I can try to push the pinky back down and get the wrists forward. I'm going to go slowly for 5 reps. And I'm showing you my more mobile hand right now. I'll show you my other one in a second. So over here, when I press through, I cannot extend the wrist as far forward as I can on this one. So if you see how the wrist goes forward here, I cannot get it as far forward here because this hand is tighter. My digital flexors are tighter, and that's why we're working on this. So you'll get 5 of those slowly, and you'll take a break. You can also move your legs back further and further to make it more work. Then you're building strength and range of motion there. So those are the palm raises.